Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a variety of fresh chili peppers, such as habaneros or jalapenos, along with some vinegar, oil, and a selection of your favorite spices. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's prepare those peppers. It's crucial to wear gloves to protect your hands from the capsaicin, which causes the heat. Wash your peppers well, remove the stems, and then chop them into small, consistent pieces. This ensures even cooking and a smooth texture for your sauce. Time to cook. Begin by sautéing your chopped peppers with aromatics like garlic and onion until softened. Then, add your liquids, such as vinegar and a little water, and let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes. Finally, carefully blend the mixture until it reaches your desired smooth consistency. Almost done, taste your sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps adding a pinch more salt or a touch of sweetness. Allow the sauce to cool completely before transferring it into clean, airtight bottles or jars. Properly stored, your delicious homemade spicy sauce will stay fresh for several weeks in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.